Welcome to Full Course Online. In this Excel tutorial, we will learn how to sort data. Sorting allows you to organize your worksheets so information is easier to read and analyze. In our example, we have a table with 3 columns: employee, department, and salary. Let's start by sorting the data by employee name. We'll begin with the simplest option, A to Z sorting. Simply select any cell inside the employee column, then go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and in the editing group click Sort A to Z. This sorts the names alphabetically. As you can see, the first employee is now Alice, followed by Bob, and then Charlie. Now let's look at the reverse order, Z to A sorting. Again, select a cell in the column and choose Sort Z to A. This reverses the order, text from Z down to A, numbers from largest to smallest, and dates from newest to oldest. Now John appears first, followed by Ian, and then Hannah. Sometimes, you need more control, and that's where custom sort comes in. Suppose we want to sort the table first by department and then within each department by employee. To do this, go to the Home tab and click the Custom Sort button. The Sort dialog box will appear. Here you can choose the column to sort by. In our case, we'll select Department. Next, under Sort On, you can decide whether to sort by values, cell color, font color, or conditional formatting icon. We'll choose Values. Then, under Order, select A to Z. After clicking OK, the table is now sorted department-wise. First is Finance, then HR, and then IT. Within the Finance department, notice how Bob comes first, followed by Eve, and then Grace. You can also add multiple levels of sorting. For example, first sort by department, then add another level to sort by salary, choosing to order from smallest to largest. Now the table is sorted by department, and within each department, employees are arranged with lower salaries at the top, moving down toward higher salaries. This multi-level sorting is especially useful when working with large datasets where one simple sort isn't enough. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more step-by-step Excel lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.